Minister, the horrors that Israel have been committing in Gaza since October are frankly indescribable, and I think I speak for most people when we say that we watch TV screens and we actually can't believe what we're watching, the utter barbarity of it, but also the fact that nobody's doing anything to stop it. The civilian population of Gaza have been subject to the most depraved, indiscriminate bombing campaign in modern times. I'm not satisfied with bombing babies and children and women and other civilians in their bed, killing over 25,000 people in just over 3 months. Israel has destroyed the hospitals and the entire healthcare system in Gaza, ensuring that there is no help coming for these people. They've also inflicted untold pain and suffering on the population through their various methods of collective punishment, denying people access to water, to hygiene, to aid, and displacing 85% of the population. They're bombing hospitals, schools, and refugee camps, and these are war crimes, and that's a fact. And it has been pointed out previously that Ireland was very forthright in its support for the Ukrainian case against Russia at the ICJ in 2022, and rightly so. And at the time, the then Foreign Minister, Simon Coveney, said, "As a party to the Genocide Convention and a strong defender of the international rules-based system, Ireland has a strong interest in ensuring that the Convention is properly interpreted and applied." And again, rightly so. So why do the same rules not apply to Palestine? Why the naked hypocrisy, cowardice and meekness from so-called world leaders who choose to look the other way while Israel commits the most evil of war crimes daily? Why, when South Africa took a stand against Israel, did others, including our government, not follow their example? Why did the Taoiseach say last night that the government would review matters? Does he think the people of Palestine have time to wait around while he dithers? Does he not see what we see every single day happening before our eyes, the slaughter of the Palestinian people by Israel? We can't stand idly by and watch a country committing war crimes before our eyes. We need to support the South African case, and anything less is utter hypocrisy and cowardice. And I just have to say this, I keep thinking all through this conflict, if I was a minister in government or a member of government that was watching this and decided not to act, how would I explain that to future generations and even grandchildren?